Hi everyone, I'm Calliope and this is the Aeneid, Book 4, lines 271 through 286. And here we have Mercury delivering Jupiter's message to Aeneas about how he needs to basically move on to Rome. And so we're going to start here on this first slide. Quid struis, which basically is just what as quid, and then struis is do you devise, and then we have aut qua spe libicus terris otia terris, and so the aut is or, and then we have with qua again, what, spe, hope, terris, do you waste, otia, time, in Libyan land. And just everyone, I would like to point out the little terrace pun with the one R and two R's. So on the next slide, we have if, nulla, no, gloria, glory, of tantarum, like such great rerum things, tantarum, reum go together, moet, and we're going to go up here from that, and that is moves te, you. And then we have here in parentheses this line that we're going to translate, and it's in the brackets because it could be an accidental copy from like when they were copying it down. This line could be an accident because it's not in like a lot of the major like archives of the text, but we're still going to translate it anyway. And so we have neck, like so like nor are you moliris, right here, accomplishing work concerning with your praise yourself. And then we go down to respice, which is look back at growing Sergentum Ascanius, Aeneas' son, and the hope of the heir, Iuli, which is another name for Ascanius. And then we have cui, to whom the kingdom of Rome and the land of Italy is owed. And then we have Calenius, which is another name for Mercury, locutus, having spoken, and then we have tally, like such things, with his mouth, reliquit, he left, mortalis visus, the immortal vision, in the middle medio sermone of like the speech, and from a distance procul, evanuit, he vanished, into tenuum, thin, aurum, air, ex oculis, from his eyes. So if you want to I'll just go over that really quickly. We have, if no glory of such great things moves you, nor are you accomplishing works concerning with you the praise yourself. Look back at the growing Ascanius and the hope of the heir Iulius, to whom the kingdom of Rome and the land of Italy is owed. Mercury, having spoken such things with his mouth, left the mortal vision in the middle of the speech, and from a distance he vanished into thin air from the eyes. So then here on the next slide we have aut, which is but, vero, indeed, Aeneas, amens is like maddened, stood speechless, aspectu, at the sight, and the Comai, the hairs, erectique, erect, in terror, and the voice halted, hycet, in his throat. Then we have he burns ardet, to depart, abire, in flight, and the que, to leave the sweet land. And then we go down to the next line, and we have astonished, Antonius, by such great a warning, tanto manitu, and the que again, imperio, and the command of the gods, deorum. So going over that really quickly, we have, and indeed Aeneas, maddened, stood speechless at the sight, and his hairs erect, in terror, and his voice halted in his throat. He burned to depart in flight and to leave the sweet land, astonished by such great a warning and command of the gods. And then here on the last slide we have eu quid agat, which is alas, quid is what, agat, to do, so like alas, what to do. And then you have now, nunc, with what, ad fatu, speech, adeat, should he dare, ambire, to go or like approach, ferentum, raging, reginum, queen. So this is talking about Dido, basically saying like how is he gonna approach her. And then he said, and then it's quae, what, first, commencement, exordia, sumat, should he take. So basically, how does he even start to approach her? And then we have atque, and now, nunc, he divides his animum, mind, quickly, celerum, or swiftly, huc, here, and illuk, there, so those two go together. He rapit, seizes, the idea, in parts, he versat, turns it, through perque, omnia, all, roads. So basically this is just Aeneas trying to decide like how he's gonna tell Dido that he has to leave, because I mean they got married and now he's just like, ooh, gotta go. So we'll see how that turns out. And I would just like to point out here grammatically, the adeat and the sumat and the agat are all deliberative subjunctives, so just take note of that. Okay, thank you for watching, everyone.